Hey, how's it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw a surprised wolf. It's going to be like an expression sort of thing. So I noticed a lot of people requested for me to draw different versions of wolves. So yeah, there's a playlist down below. So go check out that playlist. There's only 3 in it right now, but I'm going to start filling that up with different type of wolves. But this is just a face. And it's a wolf expression. As far as easy goes, this is very easy. You will probably be able to do this if you're brand new to drawing. Okay, so let's get going. All right, so I'm gonna walk you through it. First thing I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna draw kind of a line here for the inner inner eye area of the wolf. All right, I'm gonna go over here, circle, and maybe draw it downward there, just a little bit. Gonna find the snout, right? The top snout of the wolf. Also, don't forget, hit the subscribe button, click the bell notification. Make this the video you subscribe on if you've seen my other stuff before. Most people that watch this don't subscribe. That's the general rule of YouTube, but hit that subscribe. I want to hit 200,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And that's it for that. Okay, I'm gonna go here. From this point, I'm gonna go out and find the kind of the top part, the snout of the wolf area. Curve down, line over here, line over here at the top of the snout. You just draw a thin line there. I'm gonna go over here and I'm gonna pull a line down, front of the snout, pull back, and then maybe something like this, kind of like he's gonna have a little bit of surprise right there. It's like a C shape. Underneath. Edge here. Line up. We're gonna have to find some teeth in there because they have sharp teeth. So I'm gonna draw maybe like one here, one at the bottom, one over here. Just gonna show that, you know, that they got teeth, right? Sharp teeth. But he's just gonna go like, oh my gosh, like what? What? Surprised. Down for the front. Underneath the jaw here. Pull back. Line over here, the front of the nose. Up. We're finding the nose shape right now, right? Drawing a line from the bottom of the nose right there. It's gonna there's a split because of, you know, like, you know, that's just the way they have. They have like this split in their snout right below their nose. Curve over here. Curve around the side here. And curve around the top here for the most part, for the front of that snout. Line over here at the front. That's a thin line to kind of show there's a change of plane, meaning there's a top view and this front view. Let's go over here and find his other eye. Same thing, round because he's surprised. Line over here. Circle here. Circle here. All right. Let's go to the side of the face, the side of the cheeks. They tend to have this cheekbone here, but then they also have like fur going off here. Let me go back here. Go over here on this side. See that fuzzy side over here? Same thing on the far end. Over here, pull out. Zigzagging out here. Pulling back. Feel like it's about to meet, but like we don't want to make them meet because we got the neck down here. And the neck down here of the wolf, right? That's like this big old furry neck. Go over here on this side. And we're gonna draw the ears. Pretty pointed ear. They don't always have that type of pointed ear, honestly. but it's more animated looking. Down, front. All right. Top of the eye socket there, and we're gonna pull that back over here. Let's find the far end right there, the other ear, like so. That's the far end ear. And on this side, we're gonna go up here and find the inner ear on this far end, because it's just hair in a lot of their ears. So now we're gonna find the pattern on the face. A lot of them have like a pattern, like a color pattern. Line over here, down, up. Treating this top line like an eyebrow. Pulling down here in. And then pulling that line down here, where I guess you can connect that one. And then we're gonna continue it down here. Like so. Last thing I want to do with this is, well, you can draw like a little line here to make it look like the direction. Last thing I want to do is I want to draw a thicker line around the border, like the outside, to kind of bring it together. Line there. Underneath, just to kind of show that. But there you go. That's a surprised wolf. It's almost more like he's more concerned and not so much like scared by a ghost or anything like that. But hopefully that comes across, and hopefully that'll help you draw different expressions with wolves. I'm going to draw a bunch of different expressions for wolf faces, so let me know and I will, make it happen, all right? Talk to you later, and I will see you very, very soon. Stick around for the announcement. Alrighty? See ya. Hey, for those of you that are a little bit more serious and you really want to kind of upgrade your art skill all around, I have these beginner art lessons here on my Skillshare. So the idea with this is that some people that, for example, on YouTube, people just kind of want to draw what's in the video and just generally have a fun time. They're not always concerned about the little details and stuff about learning how to do this stuff, long term. And I get that, that's fun. But for some people want to upgrade their art ability entirely, like all around, like they're serious about it. If that's you, go here. Like I said, there's programs here on even some of the same material. Like I said, it's just a lot more in depth. My eye drawing program is an hour as opposed to the video I have on YouTube, which is like 10 minutes, right? You can still learn from both, but like I said, if you really want more and you really want to make this part of your life, go here. I have same thing over here, how to draw a dragon head. I have anime, I have cartoons. There's categories for everything, and everything is for beginners. The other thing about this website is it's incredibly easy to watch it. This is like the Netflix of like drawing lessons, so you can go through the entire site, see everybody else's lessons, and normally the site costs like 30 to 40 bucks a month. Because you're watching this video right now, if you're still watching right now, you get it for free for at least a month, like 30 days. That's a lot. But just what you have to do is go over here to the video, go down, first link in the description, the very, very first link that gives you free access to this whole thing for 30 days. You just go over here, you click this thing, boom, and then you sign up. And it's super easy, and the cool part is you can just straight up cancel it before the 30 days is up, and you never pay a single thing. You never pay a cent, and you got all this learning from it. But yeah, like I said, that's an option for you guys. If you guys want to do it, absolutely go hit that up. And that's it. So talk to you later, and hopefully I'll catch you over there later. Thank you so much. You are amazing. Over here on the right, you're going to see my most recent upload. And on the top corner over here, you're going to see just another selection, another cool selection that has to do kind of with the subject of this video. And over here at the top, you can hit the subscribe to see a lot more. This is awesome, and I'll see you next time.